Okay, good. So write on the problem. So I think how many problems you solved using don't care? Yeah.
3.
Okay, fine. So let's proceed. So write on the problem. Obtain all the. So we'll deal with don't care condition. So if my voice is not audible, just intimate me here. Obtain all the prime implicants for the following function for the following function using Quinn-McCluskey method.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Okay, I'll repeat. Obtain all the prime implicants. Is it audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Obtain all the prime implicants for the following function using Quinn-McCluskey method. So question is given. Write down the question. I will write here y equals function a, b, c and d. So they given 4 variable function now. Is it visible here what I'm writing?
Yes. No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Question is not visible.
Screen is blurred.
Is it blur?
Yes, sir.
Check out now.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Here on the midterms, they are given the question. So midterms, they are given as 0, 1, 2, 6, 7, 9. You just check out is it this problem is done or not. If it is done, I will change the problem. We'll change the sequence a little bit.
You gave for homework.
Don't care is 3 and 5. Is it done?
You came for homework.
Okay, fine. Homework means we will try to solve. So this is a given question and they ask you to verify using K-map also. So same thing you have to verify using K-map also. So this is what the given question. Question mark drop ellaro. Is it done till here? So now we will try to follow the steps. What are the steps? We try to solve here. Yeah. Question is done.
Yes, sir.
Everyone. Question is visible. So 0, 1, 2, 6, 7, 9, 10, 12 is your min term, followed by 3 and 5 your don't care condition. See in the question they won't mention solve Quinn-McCluskey using don't care. They'll just give the question and you have to solve. So what is the first step? What is step 1?
Truth table.
You need to build a truth table, right? So that is your step 1. So everyone build the truth table. So just check out is it visible? So what I have written step 1. So how many variables? 4 variables A, B, C and D. So you fill with the corresponding thing 0, 0, 0, 0 followed by 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, then 0, 1, 1, 0, that is 6, 0, 1, 1, 7, 1, 0, 0, 1, this is 9, 1, 0, 1, 0. Yeah, is it visible here what I am writing? Everyone,
Yes, sir.
I'm audible, I'm visible. Okay, good. So we finish. What's the equivalent of 12?
1100.
Good. So this is the term what I wrote. The first thing belongs to your category of min term. What about the remaining two? So you need to write that 3. So 0, 0, 1, 1 followed by 0, 1, 0, 1. So these two are your don't care conditions. So don't care min terms. So any doubts anyone with the step 1? So I'm just writing a truth table, whatever the things are given. Is this fine till here? Okay, now tell me how to build step 2. Step 2. What you should do?
Grouping.
You need to count the number of ones and it should be like what? Ascending order, descending order?
Ascending.
Good, ascending order. So start from that. So you can write the heading min term, binary representation as a 2 column. So one is min term and next is binary representation. So min term, first one 0, 0 na. So all 0, 0. How will you represent this? You write, okay, reverse, I'll reverse it. So this is your M0, that is the first one, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, next, number of ones, single ones. So this is your one group. Yeah. Number of single ones. M1. ಆಮೇಲೆ M9.
M2.
Yeah, if you're not talking, just mute yourself. It's creating a noise background. So M1, M2, M9, that's all. Yeah. Line will come there.
No, sir. Only M1, M2.
So it means number of ones are equal to 1. So 1 equivalent is 0, 0, 0, 1 and 2 equivalent is 0, 0, 1, 0. So group 2 is finished. So 2 number of ones next. Yeah. 2 number of ones.
M6.
You have to
M9.
consider don't care also, right? So consider don't care first. So D,
DM3.
M3. So just represent that with D, that's all, nothing else. DM3. Amala. So 0, 0, 1, 1. Next, 5 is also possible.
Right.
DM5, 0, 1, 0, 1. See that nothing new we are doing, we are just revising what we have done earlier. Okay. Yeah, after this, again 2 ones,
M6.
such, 6.
M9.
Good. So M6,
M9,
M9.
0, 1, 1, 0. Good. M9,
M10,
1, 0, 0, 1. Then M10,
10, 10.
1, 0, 1, 0. Anything left out with 2 number of ones? That's it.
M12, M12,
M12 also there, right? Yeah. So M12. So 1, 1, 0, 0. So is it visible? Bold is visible clearly what I'm writing? Everyone? Is it visible here?
That's blur, sir.
Is it blur? Okay, just a minute. Just check out. Just check out now. Is it blur only?
it's clear, sir.
Blur, sir.
Any improvement?
No, sir.
Is it same? Is it same here? Like that only it's coming?
It's clear, sir.
Is it okay now?
No, sir. The quality drops, sir.
Just check out, maybe network is going, coming. So you tell once the bold is clear, I will start. So once it's visible, you just intimate me. My voice is audible clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, bold now. Any changes?
Better, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah, 2 number of ones we did. Any 3 number of ones also there?
M7.
M7.
7, good. So last M7 111 0 111. So this is your step number 2. So any doubts, anyone till here? So how to build step number 3? What we should
Matching.
do? We need to combine group 0, then group 1 with group 2, then group 2 with group 3. Correct? So you fill this. So this you can be done, right? So step number 3. Same thing, midterm followed by matched binary sequence. So matched binary representation. Yeah. Compare 0 and 1. Is it matching?
Yes, sir.
So you just put a tick mark, right? So then I can write here whether you can write M0, M1, or in the bracket you can write 0, 1. Both are fine. Anyhow, I made the heading itself as midterm. If you write the things like this also, not a problem. Or if you write M1 and M1 also, M0 also fine. So 0, 0, I hope this you know, right? Comparison. So 0, 0 same, 0, 0 same, 0, 0 same. So there should be only one change. That is what this 0, 1. So what I should represent now? 0, 0, 0, dash. You got the agenda of Quinn-McCluskey? We need to reduce the Boolean expression as low as possible. Like how we did using your SOP and POS form, your Boolean form, and your K-map form. So if K-map is more than 5 variable, we have to go with Quinn-McCluskey. In your syllabus, they have kept for you till 4 variable Quinn-McCluskey only. So am I done till here? Everyone got this step? How I wrote dash here? There should be only one change. Remaining should be constant. Is it fine till here, everyone? Okay now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is next? Compare M0 with M2. Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
So just put a tick mark. What all things are possible? So M0 with this combination is done. So this is 0, 2. So what's the answer? 0, 0, 0,
Dash.
0, 0, 0.
Dash.
So 0, 1. One change is there. What should I put here?
Dash.
Dash. Followed by 0. Understood here now? The first thing what we used to do in step number 3. So now group 0, group 1 comparison is over. Same way you repeat with group 1 with group 2. Yeah. Compare M1 and M3. Is it matching?
Yes, sir.
6.
So you can make 1, 3, and that 3 you should be aware it is called as don't care 3. So better represent with D symbol. Otherwise you will mess up when you do at the end step. So write don't care because we are going to eliminate the don't care condition, no? So what is the answer? 0, 0,
Dash 1.
0, then. So this is your group 1. Okay, I am doing now. Next 0. Next
Dash
dash. Next
1.
1. Any doubts, anyone?
Sir,
Next.
excuse me, sir.
Hello,
Sir, if don't care na last all ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು difference ಆಗುತ್ತಾ sir?
No problem. You can take. See, I knew I'm going to eliminate. No. See, I told you when you should take at the beginning. I think that was in your prime implicant table. So while representing a prime implicant table, consider the don't care condition at the beginning itself. Artha aita? Because I showed you difference in the previous classes. What will happen if all the midterms followed by don't care? while representing a prime implicant. There is a mismatch. You will get essential prime implicant also as a prime implicant. For that purpose, represent the don't in a prime implicant table beginning only. Beginning means, so after 0, 1, 2, so there is 3. That 3 you should write there. Then again 4, 5. 5 is a don't care condition. So try to add that in order when it comes to what? Prime implicant table. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Only thing you remember, wherever in representing the steps, don't care condition, if you put at the top or bottom, it is going to be neglected only, correct? Na? Wherever don't care is there, we have to eliminate when it is a Quinn-McCluskey using don't care. Am I fine? Everyone, am I fine here? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, proceed now. So then 1 with 5, is it matching?
Yes, sir.
1 comma D5,
Yes,
is it
sir.
matching?
0 dash 0
0
1.
dash 0
Yeah, 0 dash
0
0
1.
1.
0, 1. See, still anybody have doubt how to write this? See, if you don't know this, then if I explain further step, it's meaningless. So still anybody have doubt? You just ask me, clear it out. It's very, very important concept. Not only for internals, I'm telling internals, fine. But exam point of view, it's a 15 to 16 marks question. You can easily score here itself. So shall we proceed? So 3 and 5, you can put tick mark I told for your reference. Next, 1 with 6, is it possible?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Because you can see 0, 1, 0, 1. Two changes are there, so don't consider that. So that is gone. So for your reference, 6 is not there. What about 9?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So you'll get 1 comma 9. So 0, 1, you can put
Dash.
dash 0, 0, 0,
0 1.
1. Correct ಏನಪ್ಪ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Okay, next 1 with 10, is it possible?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Because you will get 0, 1, 0, 1 twice. So 1 with 10 not possible. So before that 1 with 9 was possible. Put a cross mark. Next 1 with 12 is possible.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Because 2 zeros, 2 ones are there. Is it possible?
No, sir.
So I have compared my 1 with a complete group 2. Next 2 with 3. Is it
M2
matching?
DM3.
Pardon?
M2 DM3.
Yeah. D3. So just check out 0, 0, 1,
1 3
dash.
dash.
Agree? So this is also done. Next, 2 with 5.
No, sir.
No,
No,
right?
sir.
0, 1, 1, 0. So not possible. Next, 2 with 6.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I can go with 2 comma 6. Just check out 0, 0, 0, 0, 1,
Dash.
dash, then
1
4
0.
by 1, followed by 0. Sarina? Yeah, next. 2 with
M2
9,
M10.
No, sir.
No, sir.
not possible. Next, 2 with 10,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
good. So 2 comma 10 is possible. So 2, 0, 1 is dash, then
0.
1, 0. Surrender.
Yes, sir.
Next, 2 with 12 is possible
No, sir.
No,
because
sir.
2, 0, 2, 1 finished. So I finished my second part. Everyone agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Same way, you compare this complete group with this last 7 and tell me which is matching. 3 and 7 are matching.
DM3 M7.
M3 M7.
Possible. So D 3 comma 7 is possible. So 0, 0 is 0. Then
Dash.
0, 1 is dash followed by
1 1.
1 1.
1, 1. Agree na? Good. Next.
DM5 7.
DM5 DM7.
5 is also possible.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
D5 comma 7. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1.
1.
Sarina? Next.
M6 M7.
M6, M7. So 0, 0, Only thing is last I should put dash. Correct, Appa?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Is it visible till here or it's gone? Is it visible till here downwards?
No, sir.
Everyone? Okay, next. 9, 7 possible.
No, sir.
10, 7 possible.
No, sir.
12, 7 possible.
No.
That's it, right? So we ended with all the three combination. So any doubts, anyone still this step number 3? See, if you understood this much, remaining will be easier for you. Am I clear till here to everyone? Am I clear till here to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So same way repeat for step number 4 now. Step number 4. Same concept. Repeat. So now this is your first group. Compare with second group. So compare and tell me which is matching.
0, 1, 2, D3.
0, 1,
2, D3.
2 and D3 na.
Yes, sir.
So your friend is telling this and this. Correct? Huh? So it says answer as
0, 0, dash, dash.
0,
0,
0, dash,
Dash,
dash.
dash.
Correct enough? Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, same way complete the table and tell me the final answer. Yeah. After this, next combination. Just check out yourself. So this was not with this, not with this, not with this. Straight away it came here. So any 0, 1, 2, 6 combination is possible? No, right? So 0, 1, 2, 10 is possible?
No, sir.
So no possible. What about 0, 2 combination? Anywhere it is matching? I think 0, 2, 1, 3 is same, no?
Repeated, sir. Same.
Yes,
Is it
sir.
same, right? See, this and this are same. So again, I will get 0, 1, 2, D3 only. So you'll get same answer 0, 0, dash, dash. Correct and wrong?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Any other possibilities with dash? So I think first part is done. Any other
Yes, sir.
possibilities? No, right?
No, sir.
Okay. Next. Coming to 2 and 3. Compare these two.
M1,
1,
M,
3,
1,
5.
3, 5, 7.
M5, M7. D3,
Repeat 1, 3,
5,
5,
7.
5,
7.
5, 7. Okay. So 1, 3 is here, 5, 7 is here. So 0, 0 is 0, 0, 1 is dash,
Dash.
again dash, dash is there, 1 is
Dash.
there. Got Is
Yes,
it
sir.
okay? Yeah, next.
2, 6, 3, 7, sir.
2, 6,
DM 3, 7.
3, 7. So 2, 6 is here, 3, 7 is here. So 0, dash,
Dash, 1 dash.
1, dash. Cut up.
Yes, sir.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, next combination.
One more is repeated, sir.
Pardon, repeat.
Repeated.
Any other possibilities left out? So you just mark the things what I marked. 2, 6, 3, 7 done. So 1, 3 is done. 5, 7 this is also done. Yeah. Anything left out? Any other combinations? Anyone?
No, sir.
That's all.
Yes, sir. That's all.
Okay, fine. So you checked out all the combinations. So nothing is possible. So after this, any other comparison can be done. Next step,
No,
step
sir.
number 5 will come. Any other comparison?
No, sir.
No, no. That's all, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So till here, any doubts, anyone? Still step number 4. Any doubts, anyone? Is this fine till here, everyone? Okay, na?
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the next step? Yeah.
Prime implicants table.
So we need to build a prime implicant table. Correct, na? So what are the possible things you have? So from this two I can take one, and these two are separate combination, right? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
So this
Okay.
one and plus this two. So total 3. Then check out previous one. You can
M12.
consider this. You can consider this. I will tell you what all things to be considered. Then we will neglect don't care condition. Not a problem. So from this two I can take one. I'll just write roughly here. Okay. So from this two I will take combinations. Final one. D3 I mentioned. Agreed. So then again 1, 3, 5, 7. See, I'm not eliminating anything, I'm just retaining so that you can understand. So this is what 3 left out. But now look at this carefully. All having a condition of don't care, yes or no?
Screen is blurred,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Is it blur?
Yes, sir.
Just check out, is it blur here?
Yes, sir.
Can't tell up right now?
No, sir.
Just check out. Still visible or not yet?
Okay, sir.
Okay, na?
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
See what I told? From last step number 4, the two terms are common. I took one, right? Similarly, from this one and from this one. So now this 3 plus, just check out where are the things which you are not marked, which you are not tick marked. And that combination should not include don't care. Am I clear? Things which was not tick mark, that I can consider as a prime implicant, okay, and make sure there should not be a don't care in that particular zone. Yeah, tell me how many are there now? So I can't
M12.
take 1 and D5. Can you?
0, 2.
Yeah, I'm audible.
Sir.
So 1 and 5 I can't take. Why?
Don't care.
See, left out tick marks are this, right? So from this we should pick such a way that don't care should not be there. That is what the condition says. Quinn-McCluskey, agree?
1, 9.
So D1, D5 excluded, agree na?
Yes, sir.
Next combination 1 and 9, is it possible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is your next combination 1, 9. Next 2 and 10 also
2 and
possible.
10.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can take 2, 10 also possible. Good. Next
6 and 7.
12.
6 and 7. So these are the total 6 prime implicants left out for us after doing all this Quinn-McCluskey step. So is this step clear to everyone? See, don't eliminate the don't care which is there at the final step. That is like your essential prime implicant. It is a part of prime implicant. So if we neglect this, see this all 3 will goes up. D3, D3, D5 allowed over. So that should not be happen. When you compare, whatever things was like repeated. So from these two, one you can pick. Don't neglect. Neglecting will be done whichever not tick mark, in that not tick mark, which is not a don't care condition, that should be written. Am I clear to everyone?
Sir, 6 and 7
Am I
is
clear
matched.
to everyone?
6,
Still
7
doubt?
is matched.
6 and 7
Yeah?
is matched, sir. 6, 7.
Yeah, Sudeep, any doubt, ma?
Sir, 6 and 7 is matched.
You know,
6, comma 7 is already matched, sir.
6 comma.
7.
7.
Ma'am, I'm not audible to your voice. Just be louder. What you told?
6 and 7 are already matched, sir.
6 and 7, is it matched?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Where
sir.
it is matched?
2,
Sir,
3
2,
and
6,
6, 7.
2, 6, 3, 7.
No, 6, 7. To which one case match? Just check out.
2, 3.
This one? No?
2, 3, sir.
2, 3, 6, 7.
2, 3, 6, 7. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Is it 2, 3, 6, 7?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then you did
That is repeated one, sir.
was here. 0, 0, 0, mark, right? So then this won't come to picture. Fine. Everyone. Am I audible? So check out the combination.
And 12 should be added, sir.
Yeah.
12 should be added, sir. It is unmatched.
Yeah. What? Just talk loudly here. I'm not able to audible your voice. So some
Sir,
voice
M12 is unmatched, sir.
Inappa?
M12.
12. 12 is missing.
Yes,
Just
sir.
go back to table, check out 12. 12, yeah, M12. M12
Yes, sir.
anywhere it was matched.
No, sir.
Unmatched, sir.
So can I add M12 also here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, others. Just understand what is the logic behind writing a prime implicant table. So how we wrote M12, is it clear? We just go back to step number 2. So there 12 was not ticked. It was not matched with anyone. So you need to search back, which are the possible, everything you should dump here. So as your friend told, 12 is also possible. Agree?
Yes, sir.
For this purpose only I asked you to put tick marks. Then you will come to know which are matched and which are not matched, and not matched, if possible, we can add that in a prime implicant. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is the next step you should do? You need to build a prime implicant table. See, I just mark the things, make this in a table. So how to make? I'll just erase here. So this much part I'll erase. So step number, okay, let me write here itself. Step number 5, then we will go table here. Yeah, prime implicant table. Prime implicant table. So what are the possibilities in this category, right? Represent here. 0, 1, 2, 3. What is the equivalent terms for this binary representation? 0, 0, dash, dash. Sorry, and raw.
Yes, sir.
0, 0, dash, dash means what is the equation for this?
A bar, B bar.
What is the equation?
A bar, B bar,
A
sir.
bar, B bar. Good. So write that A bar, B bar. Fine. Next. 1, 3, 5, 7. So 1, 3, 5, 7. 0, dash, dash, 1. What is the answer?
A bar D.
A bar or B bar? B bar सीधा है, C bar.
A bar D.
A bar D.
A bar, huh? Yeah, A bar. 0 means A bar D. Okay, now next 2637.
3 sir.
2637 combination.
0
bar
dash 1
C.
dash.
A bar
So it says A bar C.
C.
A bar C. ಆಮೇಲೆ 19
Dash 001.
1,9.
dash 0
This one. Is it this?
Yes sir.
Dash 001. What is the equation?
B bar C bar D.
B bar
B bar
C
C
bar
bar
D.
D.
B bar C bar D ಅಲ್ವೇನ್ರೋ?
Yes sir.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
sir.
1,9 ಗೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ what I'm writing there? Everyone.
Yes, sir.
What are the things? A midterm. I need to build a prime implicant table. So in that table, write that followed by the corresponding representation and corresponding equation. Okay, na? Similarly, 2,10.
Dash 010.
Dash 010.
Dash
010.
Yes.
B bar C D bar.
B bar C D bar.
B bar C D bar. Correct?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Last
Yes sir.
12.
12. 1100.
1100.
So equation is
A B C bar D
A
bar.
B C bar D bar.
So any doubts, anyone with this? Let me erase the here. Last step is there. Yeah, any doubts, anyone with this? Are you understanding or not? Is it fine? Any doubts?
No sir.
No sir.
Fine. So what is next? We need to fill the tables of this. So prime implicant table followed by all the possible things in the question. So it starts with M0, then M1, then M2. So now I told add don't care beginning only. This is the only mistake you will commit. Don't add D3 at the end. So it will be at the beginning only. So D3, I write roughly 4, again D5, again 6, 7, 9, 10 and 12. So is it what the combinations we have? Everyone? Sari and Ro?
Screen blur.
Blur ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮತ್ತೆ? Yeah, this network issue is creating problem. Is it fine? Just check out now.
No,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
So step number 5 ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಾ earlier?
So full blurry, yes, sir.
Okay. Then just check out network. Just check out. Just a minute. Yeah, just check out now. Any variations? Any variation here?
Better.
Okay, na? I think. So I think what we wrote in the step number 5 that was visible. So now what I am told is I need to build a prime implicant complete table for reduction technique. Correct, na? So what I done? Prime implicant, that is what you got here. This one I should dump there, followed by your so what do you think what you should do is? Yeah, I'm audible.
Blur.
Wait a minute. ಇವಾಗ ಓಕೆನಪ್ಪ?
Blur ಇದೆ.
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಬೋರ್ಡು?
No sir.
Just check out when it's clear. You just tell me. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So what is the last part of this problem is, whatever the things you wrote there, just dump here. So I'll just dump here 0, 1, 2, 3. So for your reference, just make a table here. So it will be easy for you to debug the things. Just make a table. Okay. So this is a table now. What you want, right? So next combination 1, 3, 5, 7. Next 2, 6, 3, 7. 1, 9, 2 and next is 12. Yeah. Now tell me. So where is 0? What I should mark? 0 is here. Then 1 is here. 2 is here. 3 is here. So this is one combination. Correct? Next 1, 3, 5, 7. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೀನ್ರೋ ಬರಿತಾ ಇರೋದು?
Yes, sir.
Visible?
Sir.
Blur ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಇನ್ನು?
Yes, sir. It's okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, 2, then 6, then 3 and 7. So whether you want dot mark or cross mark like this, you can do whichever you want. It's left to you. Okay, na? Next 1 and 9. So 1 is here, 9 is here. Then 2 and 10. Then only 12. Yeah. So after this marking, tell me what I should do. What I should do after this. So is this visible to everyone? What I have done? I just marked the things and I told only change is align this don't care inside in a series. Right? Yeah. Now tell me what we should do.
Sir, we should bubble X, sir.
You should bubble the
Single.
Single X in a column.
single cross mark in the column. Very good. So M0, this is single. Good. And any single, this is single, this is in your don't care. And 6 is single, 9 is single, 10 and 12. Cut and draw. Is it what the things left out? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now, after marking this, what is the next thing?
A don't care issue.
So don't care condition, you want to eliminate or you have to add?
Eliminate.
You need write expression for this now.
No, sir.
Eliminate.
Enappa?
Eliminate.
Eliminate what? Don't care, huh?
Don't care.
By eliminating don't care condition, what is left out now? This category, the first one. What is first answer? I think that is
A
A bar,
bar,
B bar.
B bar.
Serena. So this is A bar, B bar. And this don't care condition, it is acting like an essential prime implicant. I will show you in the K-map, right? Then this 6, that is your 2, 3, 6, comma, that is this one. It says A bar, C. So second expression is A bar, C. Amala, 1, 9, B bar, C bar, D. Then 2. Artha aita? So now this you should write at the end. Therefore answer is this much. Now same thing we have to verify. So is it done till here? Shall we go for verification part?
So
Yes,
Everyone?
sir.
Okay. So let me verify here itself. Not a K-map. 16 cells. So this is your A, B, C, D. Okay. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Now tell me where I should fill. So this is your 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See what all the answers you got. Same answer I should get now here also. Correct now? This is for verification. Yeah? Tell me now. Tell me the answers where I should fill once.
0,
0 after
1,
ka?
2,
1,
1,
2,
2,
3 also.
7.
Then 7,
For
5.
3 say don't care.
Yeah, it's okay. We will put, not a problem. We have to put don't care means what you should put here?
X.
XX, third term. Then after 7, 9 is there.
12, 10,
2 already done. 10
10,
is there. 10 is here.
12.
Then 12 is there. Where is 12? 12 is here. Yeah. Now tell me how to mark the things.
2 quad.
Any octa will come here?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No. Quad Bharata. I think 6 is also there. 6, 6.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Quad Bharatappa.
Yes,
How
sir.
many quads you have?
2.
2.
Can I take this combination as one quad? Possible.
Yes, sir.
So what is the expression from this? Is it A bar, B bar?
Yes, sir.
So first answer matched. First answer what we got, A bar, B bar, that is matched. Next, can I take this combination as one more quad? Can I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This combination, what is the answer? So this is A bar
C.
and C.
C.
So your second answer was matching. Yeah, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೇನ್ರೋ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ಆಮೇಲೆ. So 2 quads are done. ಆಮೇಲೆ.
2
How will we
pairs.
do this? Is it pair?
Pair.
Pair.
Yes, sir.
So this combination is
1, 9.
paired. So tell me what is the
2 10.
expression now? So from this to what is the common term?
B bar.
Bar.
Yadu? Any common
B
term
bar.
from this to?
Sir, 1 0 you should write, sir. Last cell.
ಏನಪ್ಪ?
Last row 1 0 ಬರೀಬೇಕು.
ತಪ್ಪರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ.
1 1.
Yeah. So I think B bar is common from this to. What about this?
B bar.
C bar D.
Bar D.
Sarina? So third answer also matching.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Next, similarly this also pair. This and this. What is the answer?
B bar,
Again
C,
E bar.
C D bar.
So again, your fourth answer also matched. Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Where is last one then? Is it
Well.
single?
Single, sir. 12.
Single?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer for this?
A B
A B C bar.
C bar,
D
D
bar.
bar. What answer you got here? Is it matching with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So hence you can prove and write the final answer y equals. What are the answers you got? A bar, B bar
B
plus
bar E
A bar C plus B bar C bar D plus B bar C D bar plus A B C bar D bar. So is it what your answer? Everyone agree with this?
Yes, sir.
So any doubts now? You got the idea how to do the procedure for pin McCluskey? See, if you understand one problem, you can get easily 15 marks here. So any difficulty? See, we have to verify using KMap also. We have verified. Now look at here. Now look at here. I will tell the difference between your essential and prime implicants. What are the things you have done? That is your prime implicants. Now check out. Where is the possibility of essential prime implicant? Can I take this combination as one more. Topada ಇನ್ನೊಂದು quad ಅಂತ.
Quad. Yes, sir.
Is it needed?
No, no, sir.
No, sir.
That becomes like essential prime implicant. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇವಾಗ? Everyone. So this already everything is covered, right? So if you want to make, I can make one more group that is called as essential prime implicant. But that is not required. We want only prime implicants. I hope someone asked difference between prime implicant, essential prime implicant at the beginning of doubt clarified. Is it clarified to that person? Is it fine to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So still any doubts? I hope you understood the logic, how to solve the Quinn-McCluskey. So still if you find any difficulty, you just tell me whichever topic. We will try to take on the topic any day, maybe tomorrow, if possible, if you want. Otherwise, so Monday onwards, you have to go with your entrance. Any doubts? Anyone? What is next hour here? What is next class? What is next class? Okay, fine. Yeah, we'll try to stop here. So I hope you understood how to solve the Quinn-McCluskey. Don't care. So if you find any difficulties, you just message or call me. So try to and do well in clear. Try to write the things once on the paper and you can ask me. Okay? Yeah, you can enter US and you can leave. So all the best for the internals. You can enter US and